It is day 3 on our cruise, and we are pulling into Cozumel, Mexico. Looks like there's our port. See another Carnival ship. Might be one of the big Royal Caribbean ships over there. But that's the direction we'll headed, so we'll be there in just a little bit. They just docked us next to the Carnival Fantasy. Gonna get some pastries or muffins or whatever they have at the coffee shop. We're getting ready to get off the boat, explore Cozumel, and we'll be getting off the boat here shortly. So I got a coffee, but also, look at this ridiculous muffin. How can you not? I'm gonna take that back up to the room. We just got off the Dream here in Cozumel. We are docked next to the Carnival Fantasy.
We've been on its sister ship, the Ecstasy. That was our first cruise.
That was our first cruise back in 2006.
Yeah.
So we're gonna walk up the pier, find a taxi, and we are gonna head over to Paradise Beach. So let's go find a cab. So we made it to Paradise Beach. Was it a 10-minute cab ride?
Yeah, maybe, if that. It's really short from the pier.
So we got a spot by the pool. We're gonna hang out for a minute and then go check out. They're about to bring us some beers, and we're gonna go check this resort out.
Cheers.
Cheers. We got some lunch. We got chips and salsa, because why not?
And guacamole.
Guacamole. You got Caesar salad.
Caesar salad and the breadsticks they make every day. Fresh.
Breadsticks made every day. I got a veggie wrap, and I guess it came with French fries. So we're gonna try it out. This water looks a little different than we're used to in Galveston.
Just a little.
I can see my feet
I can see the pink on my toes.
On a foot of water. Nice turquoise blue water.
It's beautiful.
The temperature's actually really nice. It's not cold, but it's not hot. The water. It's pretty warm
Yeah,
outside.
it's warm out, but the water is refreshing. Oh, there's the banana boats.
Yeah. We found some hammocks, so we're just gonna chill out here in the shade.
In the
for a
shade with the
minute.
breeze.
It's quite nice. I might doze off.
Just thinking the same thing. Good night.
Good night.
Yeah, 'cause you can like jump off.
You gonna jump off?
No. Oh, it's really broad. We have to come back. Your feet are not in pain.
Off my hat. As you would imagine, a black bridge in the sun is very hot.
Very hot. Ouch.
Oh, we made it back to the port.
Yep. Puerto Maya.
Puerto Maya.
That was spent
Most of the day.
Most of the day, yeah. 4 or 5 hours down at Paradise Beach.
Yeah, Paradise Beach. I couldn't remember the name. We had a good time.
Yeah, it was really nice. We're gonna do some shopping.
Yep, we're gonna walk around the port, do some shopping,
Yes.
and head back to the boat here in a little bit.
Yay!
The crowds aren't so bad once it kind of disperses a little bit.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. Just that initial, like at this port, going through that building,
Yeah.
funneling you.
We are about to get back on the Dream after a fun day in Mexico.
Yes, beaching with the cool bums and shopping.
So we're headed back in, but we were way over there.
Way over there.
So fun day. We're gonna go
Cool down.
cool down,
It's quite hot.
change. It is hot.
Not the water. It's really refreshing, but once you were in the shops, it's really hot.
Actually, here it's
really
breeze.
nice. There's a breeze.
There's a breeze now. Now it's not gotten really nice, but we're gonna go cool down, calm down, get back to our room, and see what we're gonna do for tonight.